Right then, hope you're all doing well. For this week's recipe, we're going to do something really simple, a real staple but flavoursome rice dish from the Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook, and it is the black rice with caramelised onion and black garlic. Now, black garlic is something quite new to me, and this is a really simple dish where that flavour really comes out quite well. This is from Waitrose. And you've got a whole clove of black garlic there. So of course, we're going to use some healthy rice, whole grain rice. And then we're going to use, it says 2 onions, but I'm going to use a red onion and a white onion. They're going to be caramelised. We're going to use the skin and juice of 1 lemon. And we're going to chop up some parsley. And a little bit of sea salt just for seasoning. So in terms of prepping all this up, I always like to use little side dishes where you can just prep everything into, and you can sort of add it as you go along. First of all, we've got 200 grams of the rice. I'm actually putting that in water to rinse. We need a frying pan in which I'm going to use rapeseed oil, and I'm going to put 50 grams in here. Don't really need to measure this, it's just a drizzle, and I always use rapeseed oil to cook with. So I'm just going to put that on the stove. I'm not going to put that on the heat yet, but that's ready. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grate, because it asks for the skin from a lemon. I'm just going to grate that. Ask for it to be quite coarse. We put all that into one little bowl. What this requires is the onions to be cut into wedges, 2 centimetres. So I'm just going to slice these. So I've just cut up the parsley, that's roughly chopped, 10 grams. I've got the lemon peel. I've got the lemon juice all prepped up. Start with some vegetable stock. Sustainability, brilliant, no waste. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the onion wedges into the frying pan. I'm going to fry those off. I'm also going to add just a pinch of salt. To the onions, and that's going to fry for about 12 minutes. While that's frying, I'm going to cut up the black garlic. So I'm just going to unfold this carefully, extract all of the clove. It smells absolutely wonderful. This is kind of like what it looks like, and then to extract, that's what the clove looks like. It really is a delicacy. I'm just going to try this. Wow, that is so nice. It's almost naturally caramelised garlic, which will go with the fried onion superbly. This is what the black garlic looks like. I'm going to finely slice that now. The onions are frying quite nicely. You can see the browning. Been doing this for about 12 minutes now, and you can quite clearly see here, pre-cut everything up. The onions are frying quite nicely. And then we're going to add the lemon zest over the top here. And we're going to fry that for another 12 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
And we're just going to let that simmer just in the background, then we'll be in a moment to add the rice. 500 mils of boiling water. While that's cooking away, I think what goes really well with this is like a stout. So I've added this order from Beer 52 actually. This month has been a release from the Netherlands, from Holland. I'm going to try this, what's called a panty, which is a stout. So yeah, I'm going to give this a whirl. Really nice. Alexa, stop. Right, so the onions are really nicely caramelised. So I'm just going to put this into a side bowl. Just going to set that to a side for a moment. So what I ask for now is to put in the remaining of the oil, which is just a small drizzle here. And then we're going to add the rice, which has been rinsed, the brown whole grain rice. And we're just going to fry that off. We've just fried that for a minute, and now we're going to add 500 mils of the water. Again, we're going to simmer this for 45 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
All of this is prepped, so once we've boiled that for 45 minutes, we will then add the onions, the lemon juice, the black garlic. Doing a side dish, really easy. You must watch my video on tomato carpaccio, an Ottolenghi recipe. It's absolutely brilliant. So what I've just done is I've sliced the beef tomato, got some pre-made coriander in some oil, some green chilies. Just mix this with a little bit of white wine vinegar. And what I'm going to do is just add some of the ginger to that. Just going to stir that in. As you can see. Then simply what we do here is we just put this on top and let that absorb in. Such a wonderful dish this. This is how it looks. It's absolutely wonderful, really vibrant, really a great side dish. So check out my video with how to make tomato carpaccio. Fantastic. Takes no time to make. Right, so the rice is finished now. So we're just going to bring this off the, quite a really foolproof way of cooking rice this. You're almost boiling it and frying it at the same time. It's got a really nice nutty texture to it. So we're going to put this onto a heat-proof mat and then we're going to add all the ingredients. I've got a really nice serving bowl here. So you can either serve this as a side dish or a main. I really hope you're enjoying this show. Don't forget to subscribe. Lots of other vegan dishes and really healthy, inspiring cooking, which is really easy and basic dishes as well to inspire healthy food. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add the pre-fried onion, which is a combination of the red and the white onion, which has been fried and caramelised. So we're just going to add that into here. We're going to drizzle over the lemon juice, which has been sieved and filtered, just nicely so. And then we're going to add the black garlic, and then we're going to add the chopped parsley. So we simply just added everything here. You can see the wonderful combination of what we're mixing in here. We've got the parsley roughly chopped, we've got the black garlic, we've got the fried onion, we've got the lemon juice, and we've got the fried rice. And we're just going to fold this in nicely now. And I really am confident this is going to be a household favourite once this hits my wife's palate. Really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Lots of healthy dishes, vegan dishes, easy to cook, simple recipes to inspire healthy living. Here we have the brown rice and the black garlic and caramelised onion. Absolutely fantastic dish, really, really vibrant and a really great way of doing fried rice. Really hope you're enjoying the show. See you in the future.